Hey everyone, welcome back to CraftyPlannerLovR. My name is Megan and today we're going to be planning in my Hobonichi Weeks Catchall planner for the week of January 19th through the 25th using this kit from SammyLynnPlanning. Y'all might be wondering, well, Megan, this isn't your Hobonichi Weeks. That's because my planner folio finally came in, and this is actually a planny pack from Erin Condren, and I thought it was a perfect little cover for my planner. I wanted to have something that would be easy for me to take with me whenever I wanted to. So I have my little extra planner that I have all of my like fun things in right here, and then I just stuck, like I didn't even put it in a pocket or anything, I just stuck my Hobonichi Weeks right here. And then I also have this little stencil that I got from my friend, and I wanted to use this just to do little anytime something happens, like, oh, payday, or I went walking this day, or whatever, in here. So I thought it would be a good idea to have this. I also do use the little lines here. As you can see, I've already messed it up. So I thought that would be a fun use of the planning pack. And this way I can have something to take with me, and I can put like my, for SammyLynnPlanning specifically, she has the icons that come with her kits, and I thought, well, I'm going to use this because this way I can stick it in this pocket and I can have the icons that come with the kit and I can use that. So that is why I have my little planny thing, and then it has a little strap so I can hook it to like my Kindle or wherever I'm using it for the week. So this is the kit that we're using from SammyLynnPlanning. I don't think this is available in her shop anymore, unfortunately, but I know that she has tons and tons and tons of sticker kits in her shop. So this is just an older one. This is one I've had in my stash for a long time. I am doing a cold winter theme this week, and it is really, really cold in Florida right now, so I thought this was perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I know that last week I did a little tiny like tester to see if the day-by-day situation works in my planner, and it kind of did. So we're going to do it a little bit similar to what we did last week, but not exactly, because I do still want to try it for another week before I give it a full no. So we shall see if it works this week again, and if it does, then we'll continue. If not, then no harm, no foul. We will just do something else. I think this is the first time I've used the SammyLynnPlanning kit in this planner, isn't it? Oh my gosh, guys, this is the first time I've used the SammyLynnPlanning kit in this planner. If you've seen any of my videos, then you know I have a huge plethora of stickers from her shop in my sticker stash, and I use them on the daily, all the time, and I honestly could do an entire year of just SammyLynnPlanning kits. That's seriously how extensive my collection is. I'm not even kidding, it's huge. So I am excited to use a SammyLynnPlanning kit this week and my planners as well. Let go. I think I'm just going to white this word week out. So let's do the days of the week first. The cool thing about this planner, and you guys know that this is a dupe, the cool thing about this planner is that the days are really light and really tiny, so it's very easy to cover up. And I think last week or the week before I was talking about how some kits have them where they are horizontal and some kits have them where they are vertical, and this is the one of the kits that always has them horizontal or vertical and not horizontal in the layout. And I really like that because it gives like, I don't know, it gives like a really good clean look to it. Okay, so it is supposed to be in the 20s on Monday. It is supposed to be very, very cold on Monday and Tuesday. So I am using these two first. Y'all, it's supposed to be real cold in our state. And I know that like in the 20s might not seem super cold to you guys. Those of you that aren't from Florida, or you're not, you know, used to, I don't know why I'm saying you're not used to. You're not from Florida, so you don't understand that like the humidity is really cold. But then again, you know, I don't understand snow. So what do I have to say about that? Nothing. I have no idea what the weather is like in other states, because that's just a terrifying thought, to be in a state where it snows, because I don't know what I would do. I want to see snow eventually, and I will. Eventually I will see snow, but right now, in my current state of life, the thought of going and seeing snow, or the thought of just leaving the state, is not going to happen. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, but speaking of leaving states, I am actually leaving Florida because I am going on a cruise in March. We're going on a new cruise ship that I've never been on. It is called Margaritaville at Sea, which I'm sure people have been on those kinds of cruises before, but I haven't, and I'm very excited about it. I think it's going to be very fun and a new experience. I have this washi that I pulled from another kit, and I think I might use it. I'm not quite sure if it is the right color though. I think it looks like it's the right color. We're going to use it anyway. I should probably figure out my situation for my list of to-dos though. Let's use this guy. No. I don't know which one. I'm just going to use this one. Okay, and then we're going to go up a little bit. I'm kind of thinking I might use some dolls in this spread, because I have some in my, what is it called? In my Temu sticker stash, like they're sticker flakes, and I think that would be really cute to use in this. What do you guys think? Should I do it? I think I might. Let me go grab them. I think this would be some good ones to use. I'm gonna stick them up here. Yeah, those would be good. They have like a good color scheme. She looks good. We'll use her. Maybe not. I think I'm gonna use her. Oh, or yeah, we're gonna do this one. Nice, beautiful house, and then maybe her right there. That looks really cute. I love this. This is really nice. Should we add this house? I kind of like it. Or we could put it up there. We'll put it up there. I might put the house here instead. Or change of plans. I'm going to put the house there. I'm going to put the cozy, comfy couch. Big comfy couch. Haha. Anybody remember that show? Big comfy couch? Just me? Okay, that's fine. And then maybe we'll put her right here. Seems like a good spot. Yeah, I like that. That's much better. Okay, cool. Then we'll add maybe the lantern right here. Yeah, I like that. I like the lantern idea. I only have a few more of these left, so obviously I'm trying to use it up. Although, Yeah, we're going to put the lantern right here. Super fun. I like this a lot. Okay, let's add the habits before I forget, because I will. I might not have enough room for all three. I might be able to make room though. So we're gonna move everything down a little bit. We're just batting 1,000 over here, you guys. Just doing great. There we go. There's our habits. Okay, see, this looks much better. Now all of the stickers are on here. So let's add the quarter boxes, and then I think we will probably be good. I am going to incorporate some to-do lists in here just for funsies. Just maybe 2. Let's use this one. And we can move you up a little bit. That way you're not right on top of the box. Put that one there. And then let's add another one. And we're going to put this one right here. Put that box here. And honestly, okay, come on now. I'm going to switch these 2 boxes because I don't want sparkle next to sparkle over there. Okay, so let's put you here. I kind of think I want this one here, which means the other one's gonna have to move over just a little bit. I'm gonna put it over here. I wish I had a box for right here. It's my only thought. I might actually have some stickers. I think I can use these. These aren't from SammyLynnPlanning, but they do look similar enough to use. So I think we're going to go with it. Yeah, that looks fine. I think that that matches. It's good. It's good enough. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. I do kind of want to move this down and then we will be done. The only reason why I want to move this down is because I feel like there's a lot of space right here and I don't like that. Yeah, that makes it a little bit less clustered right there. I like that much more. All right, so last thing I want to do is add all of the like little titles. This is going to be my to clean list. It's going to be my to-do list. My to buy list is always, instead of to buy, I use planning and say to plan. So I do this. Hold on, I'll show you. To plan. That's what I always do with this. I think it's funny when I do that. I don't know. I'm just a child, so. I have this like piece from over there and I think I'm just going to stick it right here because I think it looks cool and it fills in that tiny little space that I didn't want. Yeah, adding the little Temu stickers really did fill in the rest of the space, so I'm glad I did that. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my Catchall planner using the winter kit from SammyLynnPlanning and some Temu stickers. I think that this is really pretty. I'm really happy with the way it looks. I am very happy with the cozy wintry vibes that it has, and I think that adding the dolls in here was the perfect touch to make it really cute and wintry. If you guys like this video and you want to see more of my content, don't forget to check out the playlist that I have all of my Hobonichi Weeks planner playlist videos in. It'll be linked at the end of this video and in the description box below, as well as the information for SammyLynnPlanning. If you use my code Megan20, it saves you 20% off of your order and you will receive my freebie. This is what it looks like and it is super cute. If you guys want to see more of my Hobonichi Weeks videos from past years, I actually have some on my TikTok. I have Hobonichi Weeks Plan With Me's on my TikTok, and I also have some on my Instagram. So you can check that out and find all of the inspiration to decorate your planners with and see how I've used SammyLynnPlanning kits in the past. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!